We are a nation of pioneers and risk-takers. Our pursuits have taken us far beyond the once thought impossible. Since the American Industrial Revolution, we have led the world in pursuit of a better and brighter tomorrow. Tomorrow is here, and today, in the 21st century, ADDMAN Engineering will once again continue those pursuits with additive manufacturing. Our engineers will create and manufacture parts lighter, quicker, and over 50% stronger. We are ADDMAN Engineering. We power the pursuit of American innovation and industry. Together, we will build more powerful rockets and make space travel safer than generations before. We will save lives by producing the next wave of medical equipment and prosthetics. We will protect our soldiers by keeping them safe by enhancing their mission-critical equipment. We will revive our traditions and deliver speed to those in the pursuit of victory. And after all this, we will produce less waste, ensuring a healthier tomorrow for us all. This is the future with additive manufacturing, where the only limits is our imagination. ADDMAN Engineering. Power the pursuit.